10th class students. In previous class, I explained excretion in plants. Once again, I repeat the same topic. If you observe in plants, we cannot find out a particular organ for excretion. All parts like stem, leaf, root, bark, flowers, fruits, all parts involved in excretion in plants. And if you observe in some plants, waste material gets stored in different body parts for their protection. To protect themselves from herbivores, they are unpleasant to taste, sometimes even cause death of herbivores also. If you observe in some plant, they release gums. At the time of injuries, gums released by some plants like acacia and neem. These gums helpful for wound healing. Okay, I will explain about gums in the next class. Now, I will explain about a important, very important point, question in the exam point of view, that is called alkaloids. Do you know, children? Alkaloids are nitrogenous waste which produced by different parts of different plants. So these alkaloids very useful to human beings. Human beings know the importance of alkaloids in their lifetime. If you look at this table, we can find out name of the alkaloid, which plant is produced that alkaloid, which part is used as alkaloids, and what is the use of that alkaloids. What is the use of that alkaloids? Now, I will explain about this table. Very important in the exam point of view. If you look in this table, we can find out name of the alkaloid, first column, which plant produced that alkaloid, second column, which part acts as that alkaloid, third column, and what is the use of that alkaloid, fourth column. First, I will explain about first alkaloid, quinine. Name of the alkaloid is quinine. Very important. Quinine plant is Cinchona officinalis. Cinchona officinalis. Quinine is an alkaloid which produced from a plant known as Cinchona officinalis. Which part is used? Means here bark. Bark means beradu. Use. What is the use of this alkaloid? Anti-malarial drug. Quinine, Cinchona officinalis, bark, anti-malarial drug. Second one is nicotine. Plant is Nicotina tobacum. Nicotina tobacum. Which part is used? Means here leaves. This part is used for insecticide. Insecticide means which kills insects. Nicotina tobacum, leaves, insecticide. Third alkaloid, morphine. Papaver, somniferum. Papaver, somniferum. Morphine or cocaine. Morphine or cocaine. Papaver, somniferum. Fruit. This is used for painkiller. This is used to reduce the pain. Morphine, also called as cocaine. Papaver, somniferum. Fruit, painkiller. Fourth one is reserpine. Fourth alkaloid is reserpine. The chemical name of this plant is Rauwolfia serpentina. Rauwolfia serpentina. Reserpine is an alkaloid which produced from a plant known as Rauwolfia serpentina. Here bark or root. This is used as medicine for snake bite. Medicine for snake bite. Reserpine, Rauwolfia serpentina, bark or root used for medicine for snake bite. Fifth one, nimbin. Plant name is Ajadirachta indica, simply called as neem tree, వేప చెట్టు. Nimbin, Ajadirachta indica, which part is used in this plant means bark, leaves, flowers, etc. used for antiseptic. Nimbin, Ajadirachta indica, neem plant, bark, leaves, flowers are used antiseptic. Sixth one is caffeine. Coffea arabica seed. The use is central nervous system stimulant. Means this alkaloid stimulate the brain. Central nervous system means here brain. Next one is scopolamine. Plant name is Datura stramonium. Part used flower and fruit. Helpful for sedative. Sedative means pain relief. Last one, pyrethroids. Tridax means gaddi chamanti. Which part used for this plant means flower. This is used for insecticide, which kills insects. So these are the 8 alkaloids. These are the 8 plants. These are the 8 parts which produce that alkaloid. 8 uses. Okay. Now again I repeat the same table. Alkaloids. Do you know? Alkaloids are the nitrogenous bases which produced in different plants, used for different purposes. Here name of the alkaloid, plant, part, use. Very important exam point of view. They'll ask for 4 marks question. First, quinine, Cinchona officinalis, bark, anti-malarial drug. Quinine, Cinchona officinalis, bark, anti-malarial drug. Nicotine, Nicotina tobacum, leaves, insecticide, means which kills insects. Morphine, cocaine, Papaver somniferum, fruit, painkiller. Morphine, cocaine, Papaver somniferum, fruit, painkiller. Reserpine, Rauwolfia serpentina, bark, root, medicine for snake bite. Reserpine, Rauwolfia serpentina, bark, root, medicine for snake bite. Nimbin, Ajadirachta indica, bark, leaves, flowers, antiseptic. Nimbin, Ajadirachta indica, bark, leaves, flowers, antiseptic. Caffeine, Coffea arabica, seed, central nervous system stimulant. Caffeine, Coffea arabica, seed, central nervous system stimulant. Scopolamine, Datura stramonium means Datura ummetta plant. Flower, fruit, sedative means pain relief. Scopolamine, Datura stramonium, flower, fruit, sedative. Pyrethroids, Tridax, flower which used as insecticide. pyrethroids, tridax, flower, insecticides. These are the alkaloids which produced from different plants, which used for different purposes. Okay. Now, if you will observe in this alkaloid table, which alkaloids are very harmful to us? For example, if you will take nicotine. Nicotine is very harmful to us. Why? Because it causes cancer. Do you know? Nicotine used to prepare cigarettes or kini, etc. These are tobacco products. No, these tobacco products contain nicotine. Nicotine gives instant energy to our brain or body, but it causes cancer. And second one is caffeine. If you drink coffee continuously or thoroughly, this is also very harmful to us. And third one is morphine. This one also harmful to our body. So nicotine, morphine, caffeine. These three are harmful to our body. Now I will explain about another topic in fourth lesson. So this is about alkaloid table, very important in the exam point of view. Now I will explain about next topic in excretion. Do you know weeds? Do you know about weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants. Weeds are unwanted plants which grow in between of cultivated plants. Cultivated plants. The question is, why weeds are not affected by insects? Very, very important. Why weeds are not affected by insects? Very, very important question. This one also. Why weeds are not affected by insects? Weeds stores some chemicals in their body. These chemicals helps to protect themselves from insects. They also have some spines in their body. This is one of the defensive mechanism which we can see in weeds. Why? Because weeds are unwanted plants. We will not give support or protection to weeds. That's why they protect themselves by storing some chemicals which are harmful to other insects. Okay. Next. Up to here we learned about alkaloid tables. Now I will explain about gums. Do you know gums? The plant which produce gums are neem, acacia, etc. are the plants which produce gums. Neem means vapa chettu, acacia means tumma chettu. If you will observe in some plants at the time of injuries, when injuries occurs to the plants, they produce sticky substance known as gums. Do you know, children? What is the use of gums to plants? This gums helps to absorb water and swells up. This gums helps to healing of wounds. Healing of wounds. This gums helpful for healing of wounds in plants. We know that gums useful for binding purpose to human beings. To us, gums are used for binding purpose. So this is about gums. Gums also produced by plant. This is also waste. Plants get rid of waste by producing gums. Gums are the waste products to plants. So, but human beings learn the economical importance of plants, and they started to use the alkaloid produced from plants. These are the nitrogen based or alkaloids are tannins, resins, gums, all waste products to plants, but human beings know the importance, economical importance of plants and start using all these products. So this is about gums. Okay, next latex. This is also a nitrogenous base which produced plants like Calotropis. Calotropis means jilled chettu, and also sapota, and also papaya. If you will take these plants, produce a milk-like substance known as latex. Latex is milk-like substance. If you will cut the leaves or flowers of some plants, they produce milk-like substance, that is called latex. This latex is useful to prepare medicines. Do you know about rubber? Rubber is also prepared from latex of Hevea brachialensis. Hevea brachialensis. So this is the scientific name of rubber plant. So rubber is also prepared from latex of Hevea brachialensis. Do you know about chewing gums? Chewing gum also prepared from latex of chicle plant. Chewing gums also prepared from latex. Latex is the milk-like substance which produced from some plants. Chewing gums also prepared latex of chicle plant. So this is about gums and latex. In the next class, I will explain about tannins, resins, and some more information. Fourth lesson. Okay. Thank you, children.